Alan Watts once said, "The real you is not a puppet that life pushes around. The real deep down you is the whole universe." These illusions, he argues, are the chains that bind us, keeping us from living fully in the present moment. First up, money. Watts likens our pursuit of money to a dog chasing its tail. No matter how much we accumulate, it's never enough. Why? Because money isn't real. It's a human-made symbol, a placeholder for value that we've collectively agreed upon. When we see money as an illusion, we understand that it's not the key to happiness or fulfillment. True wealth comes from living authentically and creatively, not from a bank balance. Time, the ever-ticking clock that rules our lives. Watts reminds us that time is a mental construct invented to make sense of change and movement. The past and the future are just abstractions. The only real moment is now. By obsessing over time, we're constantly dissatisfied, either dwelling on past mistakes or longing for future success. Instead, Watts urges us to immerse ourselves fully in the present, where true peace and joy reside. Let's talk about the ego. The ego is the false sense of a separate self, a construct built through conditioning and societal expectations. It's not who we truly are. At our core, we are pure consciousness, interconnected with the entire universe. The illusion of ego leads to conflict, judgment, and a need to prove ourselves. But once we see through this illusion, we experience a profound sense of unity and peace. How do we break free from these illusions? Start with awareness. Recognize that money is just a symbol, time is a mental construct, and the ego is an illusion. Practice mindfulness to anchor yourself in the present moment. Release your attachment to money by focusing on inner abundance. Challenge your ego by seeing yourself and others as part of the same consciousness. And finally, embrace spontaneity. Live more intuitively, allowing yourself to follow inspiration rather than rigid schedules. Alan Watts offers us a path to liberation. By shedding these illusions, we can live more fully, authentically, and joyfully. Remember, the real you is the whole universe, experiencing itself in this moment. Embrace it, live it, be it.